There was a time in my life when everything financially seemed stable. I had a good paying job as manufacturing manager for a large metal stamping company. I rose up from the ranks and worked hard to reach my position, and believed that if I kept doing a good job, that my income would always be there. But the company began outsourcing more and more of its production. Little by little, manufacturing operations were reduced, until eventually, the manufacturing facilities were shut down. And just like that, my job was gone.
Now, losing a job is difficult at any age, but losing a job when you're middle-aged makes the situation even more challenging because you quickly realize that employers are not lining up to pay you what you used to make. I sent out resumes. I searched for management positions. I looked everywhere for work that would replace the income I had depended on. And what I found was discouraging. The jobs that were available paid nowhere near what I had been earning. I had resources, but the money wouldn't last forever, and I needed income. That's a tough place to be. And of course, bills still have to be paid. You still need to survive. So naturally, I began looking for another way to make money. That's when I saw an advertisement for trading, and it made trading sound easy. Trade from home, make money in the markets, create income from your computer. It sounded like exactly the opportunity I needed. No employer, no interview, no one deciding whether I was too old or overqualified. Just me, a trading account, and the possibility of making money. So I opened an account and started trading. And very quickly, I learned a painful lesson. Trading was not easy at all. What looked simple in the advertisement became confusing and expensive in real life. The market moved fast. Prices reversed when I didn't expect it. I entered trades too early. I stayed in trades too long. I took losses I didn't understand. And because I was trying so hard to make income, I kept thinking the next trade would fix the last one. Instead, I lost several $1,000s, money I could not comfortably afford to lose. Why did I lose it? Because I was doing what many beginners do. I was trying to trade without training. I was trying to make money in one of the most competitive financial arenas in the world, with no professional roadmap, no strategy, no real understanding of market behavior, no rules, just hope. But it takes more than hope to make money as a day trader. That experience taught me something I never forgot. Trading can absolutely become an income-producing skill, but only when it's approached like a profession, not a shortcut, not a lottery ticket, not a desperate attempt to solve financial problems overnight. A profession, and every profession requires education. You would never attempt to become a mechanic, an electrician, or an accountant by simply guessing. Yet that is exactly what people do when they start day trading. After all, it looks so easy. They risk their money before they know what they're doing, and the market punishes that every single day. I didn't want to give up and made a decision after losing that money. I was going to learn how to trade. I traveled across the country to a 3-day seminar and picked up some knowledge. It seemed to work for a while. I kept studying, testing, developing methods, learning what works in some situations but not in others, and how and when to apply different strategies. And over time, that painful beginning became the foundation for what I now teach others. That is why I created Timeless Dollar Trading Academy, because I know firsthand what it feels like to need income, to see trading as hope, and then to discover that hope without education can become expensive. Inside the academy, I teach beginning traders the exact structured methods, 6 high-probability setups, and professional rules needed to trade intelligently instead of emotionally. My mission is simple: to help people avoid the same painful losses I experienced when I started. So if you are unemployed, underemployed, or simply under financial pressure and looking at day trading as a possible solution, I understand why this appeals to you. I really do. But please do not make the mistake I made. Do not believe the advertisements that make this business look effortless. Do not believe that opening an account is the same as opening an income stream. Those are two very different things. Without training, a trading account can become a fast way to lose money. With training, discipline, and the right method, it can become a valuable lifelong skill. If you're serious about learning to trade the right way, visit Timeless Dollar Trading Academy and learn about my trading course, Trading Mastery for Financial Freedom. This course was built specifically for people who are serious about learning how to trade instead of trying to figure trading out alone. Learn the setups, the timing, and the rules. Learn how to trade by knowing what to look for before placing a trade. I'll also teach you about the Taylor trading technique, a mathematical system that professional traders use to earn thousands of dollars per trade. The Memorial Day holiday is coming up, so I'm offering a special 20% discount off my course, Trading Mastery for Financial Freedom. As the holiday gets closer, the discount will be reduced, so now's the best time to enroll for maximum savings. Enroll at timelessdollar.com.